To keep others safe from injury and to protect property from flying debris when mowing, always keep the discharge chute in place. Never remove it or prop it up. Always be aware of the direction you are discharging the grass. Never discharge toward people, pets, or property. Stop mowing if someone approaches you. Do not raise the deck when the blades are running, and never carry riders. If you strike an object, park safely on level ground. Then disengage the PTO, lock the park brake, stop the engine, and remove the key. Wait for the mower blades to stop, and then get off and inspect the machine for damage. Have any damage repaired before mowing again. Another area where you must work with extreme caution is on slopes, which brings us to our next safe call question. How can you tell if a slope is safe to mow? We'll answer in a moment after these tips on mowing slopes safely. Always mow across slopes, never up and down, and always mow slopes at slower speeds. In fact, all of your movements on slopes should be slow and gradual. Never make sudden changes in speed or quick turns. When you have to turn, turn downhill at a slow speed. Do not mow slopes if they are wet from recent rains or from irrigation. Wet grass reduces traction, which can cause you to lose control. Transport across slopes with the deck down to add stability. Now let's answer that question. How can you tell if a slope is safe to mow? The answer is, loss of control accidents and rollovers are a major cause of injury. Always consider terrain and turf conditions when deciding what areas are safe to mow. Not all slopes can be mowed. You should establish your own special procedures and rules for mowing slopes. As mentioned earlier, always survey the mowing site to determine if slopes are safe for mowing. To measure slopes for safe mowing, lay a straight piece of sturdy lumber on the slope and measure the angle of the slope with an angle indicator or protractor level. See the operator's manual for additional methods of measuring slopes. Never mow or transport the quicktrack on slopes greater than 20 degrees. The rollover risk is low at 10 degrees or less, but as the slope angle increases to 20 degrees, the risk also increases to a moderate level. When you're done mowing, there are some things you need to do before parking your quicktrack for the day. First, stop on level ground. Move the motion control levers to the neutral lock position. Lock the park brake, and then throttle down the engine to half speed and let it idle for approximately 30 seconds. Then turn the key to off and remove it. Before working on the mower, always let the engine cool. In the meantime, remove the belt shield and foot plate and blow away grass clippings from the belt area. When the engine is cool, blow away clippings from the engine area and air intake screen. Next, raise the mower deck and use water to rinse grass buildup from underneath and inside the discharge chute. Then, use a John Deere brand lube grease to lubricate the machine. Check the manual for the location of grease points and lubrication intervals. Before parking for the night, make sure the machine is shut off and cooled down. Before fueling the machine, remove the fuel cap and fill the fuel tank with fresh gasoline to the bottom of the filler neck. See the operator's manual for safe fueling instructions and the correct service intervals for all necessary maintenance needs. So what's the best way to stay safe and avoid injury? Always make the safe call when mowing with the John Deere quicktrack. Make sure you use the information presented here to keep yourself and others safe, and your quicktrack free from damage. Remember, your operator's manual has a lot more information to help you mow safely and maintain your quicktrack in top shape. If you have any questions, see your local John Deere dealer. They have the expertise you need to help with any question, and quality John Deere parts and service to keep you mowing. Work safely, and thank you for watching.